Hello, and welcome to the second in a series of videos about how to update income in the Healthy Road customer portal. This video will guide you through the required fields and screens for updating your income information. Specifically, this video will show you the steps to report a pay increase or decrease for an employer you already reported to us. To update your income information, scroll down the Your Information, Current Job, and Income page to the employment record you want to update. Before starting, copy or write down on a piece of paper the employer name, identification number, and zip code for the employer. When you have the information copied or written down, click Add Another Employer. When the page refreshes, scroll past the current employment information until you reach the blank Employer Information section. Click Search to open the Employment Search pop-up. Fill out the employer name, employer identification number, and the zip code that you copied down from the original record and click the Search button. After the page refreshes, the top results will display. Click the box next to the employer name and click the Select Employer button. The Your Information, Current Job, and Income page will refresh, and the details of your employment will appear on the Employer Information section. In the Pay Details section, you will report your pay raise or pay cut and when you started to receive it. Entering an accurate paycheck received date is important to determine if the employment was reported timely. Enter all gross wages, which are the income reported on your pay stub before all taxes and other deductions. When you fill out the frequency field with how often you are paid, the hours worked field will become active. After your pay raise or cut details have been added, you need to end date your previous pay. Scroll until you reach the prior income record that you updated. Check the date to verify you are looking at the old income record and click Remove. The page will refresh, and you will see the message, Please enter a final paycheck received date. The final paycheck received date field will become enabled, and you will enter the day you stopped receiving this pay. For example, since we updated our income record with a raise taking place on September 1st, we will put the final paycheck received date for the old record as August 31st. The Your Information, Current Job, and Income page will refresh, and the details of your employment will appear in the appropriate fields on the Employer Information section. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and review the Net Annual Income section. The system will calculate your net annual income based on the income amounts and the received dates you reported. If for whatever reason you expect your total annual net income to differ from the system calculated amount, you can answer no to the question and provide the total amount of net income you believe you will make. When all information has been documented, click Next. Continue reviewing all screens of your application and ensure you are reporting the most up-to-date information. Click Next through the remaining tax and information pages and the application review page. When you reach the e-signature page, scroll down and carefully review the information. Click Next to open the Submit Application pop-up window. When you are ready to send your change report, click Yes. After submitting, you will see a pop-up window verifying your change report has been submitted electronically. From this point, you can click Next to verify your information, view your eligibility results, or continue with your application. This concludes the second video in the Updating Income in the Customer Portal series. You now know how to report a pay raise or a pay cut and how to add an end date to the previous earned income record. The next video in this series explores how to change an employer in the customer portal. Thanks for watching.